All right, it is time for another design challenge. I'm here with Shellie Stewart from Floor and Decor. Now, Shellie, here's the challenge for you today. I'm doing a living room. All I know for sure is I like the colors of this pillow, and I need flooring and a fireplace. To make it a little more complicated, there's pets involved, so I need pet friendly.
Okay.
Can you help me out?
Absolutely. Should we start at the flooring?
I think so.
Let's go.
All right. All right, Shellie, what do we have for flooring?
Okay, chosen this one because, well, for a couple of reasons. One, this particular one is light and it also has all the colors in your pillow. It's pet friendly because it's got a lot of texture to it, and it also looks like a real wood floor.
I love it. This is a great option. It's really, it looks really good. It looks like wood, but I do like the texture on this. It's kind of funny because you wouldn't think because it's a tile that it would have it.
A lot of texture.
It does kind of feel like a wood floor.
Right.
What do we have that's maybe a little darker?
Okay, I actually have this one. It's a little bit darker, so just in case you've got a lot of natural light in there, this one would work perfect because it absolutely represents some of these colors here. So again, looks like a wood floor, a real wood floor, and it has all the texture you need for your pets.
I love it. That's awesome. So what about the fireplace?
Let's go. It's right over here.
All right. All right, Shellie, what are we doing with this fireplace?
Well, we have a couple of options. Depending on which floor you choose, we've chosen these two items for your fireplace. The first one is a little bit darker, and it goes with your lighter floor. And if you pick the darker floor, then we went lighter on the fireplace.
Well, I can almost picture it now, sitting on my couch, snuggled up with my dog, enjoying the fireplace and the new floor. I'll have to get a dog first. All right, if you have a living room or any other area that you are looking to redo, you need to come on into Floor and Decor. Work with one of their design experts. Whatever your restrictions, whether it's pet friendly, ease of use, whatever it is, they've got some amazing products for it and the expertise to make sure that you get the room that you want.